Estimate the following calculation, which is 8.956 times 24.3 divided by 6.78 plus 2.84. Write down the full calculator display of the above calculation and round your answer to part B to three significant figures. So we've got 8.956 times 24.3 divided by 6.78 plus 2.84. Now, if you're going to estimate a calculation, you need to round everything off to one significant figure, because the idea is you try to do the calculation in your head first, so you have an idea of what the calculation should come out to be on your calculator. So rounding 8.956, the 9 will make that 8 a 9, so that becomes 9. Rounding this off to a one significant figure, that 4 has no effect on the 2, so we're going to round that off to 20 to one significant figure. 6.78 to one significant figure, well, that 7 will make that 6 a 7. And then rounding 2.84, that 8 will make that 2 a 3. Now 9 times 2 is 18, so we add the 0, we get 180, and then 7 plus 3 is 10. 180 divided by 10 is 18. So that's an approximation for that calculation. So the idea is that you round each of the original numbers off to one significant figure first. Then you're asked to work out this value using your calculator. Now, with a modern calculator, you should be using the fraction button. So using the fraction button gives a fraction button on the calculation. So you should be using this button first. You should enter that first and then enter the numbers for the numerator and then the denominator, and then you get the answer 22.62274428. Then you take that number here and you now have to round it off to three significant figures. So that's the first, second, third. So we're drawing a little line here. That 2 has no effect on the 6, so the answer will be 22.623 significant figures. So this has been a video about approximating a calculation and then finding the actual value and then rounding it off. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.